Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Chikelly. Now, do you know that there is a natural way you can lighten your skin? I'm not talking about changing the color of your skin because I'm totally against it. What this video is about, it's all about the glow. It's all about the glow. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you know. So that you see how I got this glow on my face. As a natural way, you can lighten your skin by making your skin to go from looking very dull to very clear glowing skin, like those skins that pops, like when you see it, it's like it's very soft and very rich looking skin. Yeah, you can do that, but in a natural way, not changing your skin color or getting those drugstore products that will cause damage on your skin, make you to your skin may end up having loads of damage on it, and it will only change your skin color like in a rapid way. But this natural one, in as much as it would take time, take months, yeah, it can take a few months, but when you keep using this product that I'll list today, you'll be using it to do a face mask. You can even use it all over your body. So what these ingredients that I'm using today, as the video goes on, I'm going to tell you the benefits and what they are going to do to your skin. And one of those ingredients is papaya. Have you all heard about papaya before? Papaya is a very good skin lightening agent. Yeah, sometimes you can see most of these beauty companies, they use it in their soaps, they use it in their body creams, they use it in the cleanser. Have you asked yourself why? Especially when it comes to skin lightening, papaya is the big deal. But we are not using drugstore products today. We are going all natural. Yes, I love the natural. I love the drugstore as well, but all natural when it comes to skin lightening is the way to go. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you like what you see, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification button as well, because if you click the subscribe button, you don't click the notification button, you won't be able to get notified when I upload new videos. Come on guys, I need your support. I need your support. Click that subscribe button, and thank you so much for your support. Okay, now let me show you how to mix this special deep cleansing, skin lightening, nutritious face pack. Follow me. So like I said earlier in the video, this is papaya. For those of you that from Africa, we call it especially Nigeria, we call it pawpaw. So papaya, one of the main benefits of papaya is papaya improves complexion due to the fact that it has active enzymes that reduces any pigmentation on your skin, and it controls breakout as well and reduces premature aging. One of the things I love about papaya as well is it moisturizes your skin because it has loads of water content on it, so it helps to moisturize your skin. Regular use of it on your skin, especially people that has dry skin, it will help to moisturize your skin really well. Papaya also has antioxidants. It's a very, like, this fruit is very important when it comes to our skin, because the amount of antioxidants in papaya is very high. And you know what antioxidants does? Antioxidants helps to reduce signs of aging, and even crowd. Let's say you have crow's feet, we call it like puffy eyes. You know, your eyes like dripping when you're like, you know, aging, and you see all those wrinkles under your eyes. So it helps to reduce it, and even the ones around your mouth area as well. Papaya brightens your skin, you know, because it doesn't have any chemicals in it. It's a natural product, so it brightens your skin. It can change your skin, like it will not change your skin color, like I said before, changing you from black to white, but it will, with time, with regular use of it, it will lighten your skin, thereby making your skin very clear and very glowing. The next ingredient I'm using for this deep cleansing face pack is jojoba. I love jojoba oil because jojoba oil is a very good cleanser. Jojoba oil, for those of you that have acne prone skin, if you're scared that jojoba oil will clog pores and it will break you up or break you out, jojoba oil doesn't clog pores on your skin. The reason is because it's non-comedogenic, so people with acne prone skin can use it. It helps to repair skin damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help stop skin dryness. So it's very good at moisturizing your skin as well. Jojoba oil is very nutritious for your skin because it hydrates your skin. So it provides a long-lasting moisturizer for your skin. It hydrates your skin very well. So I love using jojoba oil when I'm doing a deep cleansing on my skin. Okay, then some of you that have watched a few of my videos know how I love rose water, because rose water, when it comes to lightening pigment on your skin, rose water is the number one ingredient that you should always use on your skin if you're fighting pigmentation. Rose water removes excess oil and dirt from your skin. Rose water unclogs pores from your skin. So if you have if you're suffering from very oily skin, if you're suffering from acne, like you have loads of pimples or acne on your face, or any blemish on your face, rose water is going to help to remove those pigments and in turn lighten your skin. Okay. Another of my favorite skincare product is vitamin E capsule. Most of my remedies I put vitamin E capsule, and there's a reason why I do that, because vitamin E capsule is very good, either the capsule or the oil. If you don't have the capsule, you can use the oil. A lot of skincare beauty companies, they use vitamin E in their beauty products. The reason is because vitamin E protects your skin from free radicals and damage. Vitamin E moisturizes your skin. It's very good in deeply moisturizing your skin. Vitamin E, one of the main benefits is it helps to regenerate skin cells, because as you age, the cells on your skin, the production of cells on your skin slows down. So that is, this vitamin E capsule helps to regenerate, more like to to help those cells not to slow down rapidly, so that it will stop you from having premature aging. So vitamin E capsule regenerates skin cells, which in turn can lighten your brown spots and scars. So whenever I'm doing any facial pack, either even facial massage, I always love to use vitamin E capsule because I don't want my skin to age very rapidly. So vitamin E capsule helps to slow down signs of aging. That is one of the main benefits. It helps to slow down signs of aging. Whether it's the capsule or the oil, they both work very well in regenerating your skin cells. So I'm going to cut out some of this papaya. I'm not using the full papaya, so I'll just cut, and you need a little bit of it, and then I will show you how you can make the face pack. Okay. So this is the mask here. I'm going to apply it on my face with my hand. Hair. Guess I should have pulled it with a hairband or something. It feels like I'm lathering this very rich cream on my face. Feels so good. Get under my eyes as well, because it's very good for crow's feet and lines under your eyes and here. You know, sometimes when you're aging you get this long fine lines here. Okay, your neck. Okay, so I think this is as much as I can put now. So that's it. Now I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes and then I'll wash it off. So I'll see what my face looks like afterwards. I love it though. I love the richness of it on my face. And it feels like, you know, because it has a lot of moisturizing properties, it feels like I'm actually putting a facial moisturizer on my face instead of a mask. That's how it makes my skin, you know, feel. Okay, so 20 minutes and then I'll wash it off. So I have it washed off now. What do you guys think? How does this feel on my skin? I mean, it feels like I put moisturizer on my skin. My skin feels very, very soft, very, very hydrated. You know, like I had a splash of water on it. I love this mask. I think with regular use, it's really, really going to lighten my skin. It's going to moisturize my skin a bit more. And this is what I love about it. Yeah. I will be using this often. I would. Because I like the texture of it on my skin. Even when I was applying it, it didn't dry out. So which is why it's very moisturized. It didn't dry out. It still feels like the same even after 20 minutes. It felt like, okay, like a moisturizer, more like a moisturizer than a face pack. But at the end of the day, some natural products doesn't dry even when you use it as a face pack. It doesn't dry like, you know, the drugstore face pack. Yeah, I love it. I really do. What do you think? Did you notice any change on my face? You know, I think I do. I do. It's glowing. So another thing I do is I just spray rose water all over my face. I'm not putting any moisturizer now because I feel like my face is very hydrated, so I really don't need moisturizer. Just put spray of rose water and leave it for a few minutes. There you go. Wow, I love this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to use it? Are you going to try it? It's really good if you want to lighten your skin. Not change your skin color, but lighten your skin to more like glow, you know, get your skin glowing. Okay, thank you, and leave your feedback. I need feedbacks. Okay, this is why I'm doing this video. I need feedbacks, positive, negative, whatever it is. As long as it's feedback, I don't mind. It will help my channel to grow. Okay, thank you so much guys, and remember, Chika loves you, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye.